Hey guys, what's going on? So I live in Tulum. I've been living here for about a year and a half. I did not show my previous places of residence, but I'm going to show you this one. I've been here for a while, over about 7 months. So let's go and check it out. So before I get started, there are 3 areas of town: La Veleta, Alazama, and Central. This is La Veleta, all right? This is my place. This is the pool. Hanging outside is a little dusty right now, but hey, it's still nice. Normally we come out here and hang out. The only problem about Tulum is there's a lot of mosquitoes, so we have to always have Opal, and that's just that. Then, like I said, I've been here for about 7 months. New appliances. I did put an oven in here, and the pots and pans normally come with everything. I mean, the pots and pans are normally, provided for you. Over here is my plunge pool. It's a little bit interesting right now. It rains a lot, so I have to get it changed about every day. Not every day, every week, once a week. So we have somebody that comes and does that. There's a cleaning lady that normally comes around once a week, or sometimes even more. But I'll show you the guest room first. That's the bathroom. It's nothing super exciting about it, but it is nice though. It has a shower, and this is the guest room. They're actually cleaning it now, so that's why it looks like the way it looks. Actually got a little area here, which I really like. The place all, to sometimes just open, get some fresh air. It is the jungle, so I like to have a little vibe when I open that. Then over here is the kitchen. The ladies come in to clean up again still, but this is the kitchen. Microwave, refrigerator, television is there. This is like where my little area, my little private area is. Washer and dryer is here. And then pretty much the 2-bedroom in Tulum. And I have storage space out here to the right, and I also have another opening here for some fresh air when I need it. I don't really open this that much because of the mosquitoes, spiders, and all the other animals that are out in the jungle. But just wanted to show you this in regards to how much it costs. This place starts around $1,400 a month. It varies depending on where you want to live, what you want. That is a little bit pricey for Tulum, but it is a 2-bedroom and it is in a nice place. The only downside about this place is that the electricity cuts off pretty consistently, and also sometimes the water stops running. So those are some things that you have to be open to moving to Tulum, but really to La Veleta. Also, this apartment does have a washing machine. All apartments don't have washing machines, so that is one of those elements of luxury that I do have at this place. But depends on what you want and what your price ranges are. But I just wanted to show you my place, and I hope to see you in Tulum or one of these other beautiful cities or countries around the world. All right.